We've just acquired this lovely Vauxhall Insignia SRI diesel VX line, absolutely unmarked, unblemished alloy wheels, beautiful metallic blue colour, privacy glass to the rear, absolutely lovely condition. Boot area is immaculate. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. It has the upgraded satellite navigation link as well.
Tax-free.
6-speed gearbox, climate control, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, Bluetooth. Absolutely lovely condition throughout. At DJH, we provide facilities for finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you.